Welcome to the CompTIA A Plus training video series. This is part one of the series. This series is for anybody who is studying for CompTIA A Plus, whether a student or if you're just somebody that wants to understand more about computing or hardware or networking, or anybody that's starting a career in IT. So, with that said, let's begin.
Question 41. Which of the following processors is not part of the K10 microarchitecture? A. Venom 2X 940B. B. Opteron 140. C. Venom 4X 9750. D. Venom X4 9850. The answer is B. Opteron 140. Question 42. Traditionally, which processor brand name does AMD use for its server market? A. AMD Athlon. B. AMD Sempron. C. AMD Duron. D. AMD Optron. The answer is D. AMD Optron. Question 43. Traditionally, which two processor brand names does Intel use for its server market? A. Intel Pentium and Titanium. B. Intel Core 2 Duo and Xeon. C. Intel Xeon and Titanium. D. Intel Celeron and Core 2 Duo. The answer is C. Intel Xeon and Intel Titanium. Question 44. Which of the following processor is not part of the K8 microarchitecture? A. AMD Opteron 144. B. AMD FX 8300. C. AMD Athlon 64 1500 plus. D. AMD Sempron 64 2100. The answer is B. AMD FX 8300. Question 45. Traditionally, which of the processor brand names does AMD use for its high-end desktop market? A. Pentium Core 2 Core i7 Extreme Edition. B. Celeron Xeon Pentium Intel Inside. C. Pentium M Celeron Core i5 Titanium. D. Core i3 Extreme Edition Celeron Pentium. The answer is A. Pentium Core 2 Core i7 and Extreme Edition. For my students that are serious about passing their CompTIA A Plus exam, I've put together a full comprehensive training guide. In this guide, there is hundreds and hundreds of sample exam papers full of explanations, questions, and answers to anything computer hardware related and CompTIA related. I guarantee you, if you go through this training program, you will pass the very first time. Only today, I'm offering a 50% discount. So this is a limited time offer only. You could download this training guide, this comprehensive training guide from CompTIAdumps.co.uk. CompTIAdumps.co.uk. Simply go to that website, download the material, and I guarantee you, read through it. It will explain everything from A to Z, CompTIA related, and you will pass. So, once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.